All right, here I want to show you something that's new for us, and it's a great addition to the BTS Bracket, which is back behind the four-door JK and JL. And it's called the BTS Bag. And it fits right inside this empty spot that's created by the BTS Bracket. It's shaped specifically for that right there, nice and tight, has a pocket in front, has a double zipper pocket on the top, really super tough Cordura material, double wall, and it's great for all kinds of stuff, recovery gear, a first aid kit, because it's such a quick and easy place to get to. I've got tire inflation tools and things like that, and it's a great bag to fill that spot right there, and then to keep it in place, flip the seat back up, and that's what holds it in place.